If I were in a 20-second commercial about Radiant Health Collaborative, I would say take the plunge. It's worth checking out at the very least. And once you get in there and meet Heather and meet her team, it's such a wonderful experience that it'll be worth taking that first step, taking the plunge. I'm Lorena Hirsch, and I am in Arizona. I'm a therapist. Prior to working with Heather, I was experiencing a lot of joint pain, and the aging process seemed like it was pretty tough. I had a lot of menopausal symptoms, such as hot flashes, and my joints were really achy. I was starting to feel pretty miserable about my life. So my initial consultation with Heather went great. I had trouble trusting physicians in the past, just based on some of my medical experiences. And she was very compassionate in caring about my perspective. I felt like she listened and heard all of my concerns and seemed very knowledgeable. She seemed like she had a lot to offer. The program that she offered was really easy to start. She had flexible scheduling, and her recommendations were very tailored to my needs, so they were individualized. It just flowed. She was easy to connect with, easy to schedule with. I've tried a number of things in the past. I have tried doing my own research. I've connected with other professionals, and nothing has really felt as tuned in to what my needs are as what I've experienced with Heather. I didn't really know what to expect when I first started with Heather, and so I was surprised when she connected me with a coach, like a well-being coach, and also personal trainer. I was surprised by those things. They've really helped tremendously. The whole experience was surprising in terms of how holistic her approach is. She didn't just approach my menopausal issues, for example. She really looked at my entire functioning and set me up with courses of actions for all areas of my life. I was hoping to feel better when I first started with Heather, and since starting with her, I feel like I'm more mobile. In the past, picking up my grandchildren and carrying them around would really hurt my back. And I can pick them up now comfortably and carry them around and not worry about my back hurting. I'm able to get down on the floor and play with them and get up easily. So my joint pain is reduced significantly. I'm not experiencing all of the hot flashes or symptoms, uncomfortable symptoms of menopause. And overall, I feel much more energetic and healthy. So she's taught me a lot about self-care. Some of the things that she's taught me, like lymphatic massage, have just been so simple and easy to work into my daily practices that it doesn't feel like I'm taking on a lot with the new practices that she's implementing in my life. I would recommend Heather to friends and family members because I feel like she listens and she will hear what their concerns are and help them figure out a path that will help them to feel healthier and maintain their mobility, their functioning in life, and just overall feel better. I think she's a great listener and she's incredibly knowledgeable about what she does.